Hi guys, welcome back to the Plumbers World. How are you guys doing today? Happy Sunday. So today we are going to make some pineapple, cherry, ginger, and lemon juice. So first, I did wash my fruits. I washed them with vinegar. I wash my cherry with vinegar, I wash my pineapple, and I wash my ginger with vinegar. Always remember, wash your fruits and your vegetables with vinegar. Alright, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna add some cherry to the blender. There's already some water in there, so that's fine. Gonna have some cherry. Then there's pineapple. I did use the skin, that's where most of the nutrition is. So I use the skin. It's fine if you don't want to use the skin, that's fine also. So I'm gonna put some in the blender. Let me just turn this around. Spin it up. Alright, it's gonna make a little bit of noise. It's fine, just turn it on. After we're finished, we're gonna after the fruits are finished blending, we are going to strain. I always use 2 strainers just to make sure that there's nothing going inside of the drink. So we're gonna blend, strain, and we'll be right back. Guys, so welcome back. This is what we got from the pineapple, the cherry, and the ginger. By blending everything, I did strain it, and I'm gonna strain it again. Reason being, I'm gonna squeeze my lemon in, and then I'm gonna use the plum, whatever what do you call it, the pulp. Right, I love to use everything on the lemon except the skin. So I did use 4 lemon. You can use as much as you want depending on your liking, but I'm definitely gonna taste it to see if I need more lemon. Almost I will put on my finger. The lemon is burning. Alright, gonna use all of these, and then we're going to use sugar. You can use brown sugar, you can use your white granulated sugar. It's up to you. So we're gonna use all of this, and after I'm finished sweetening my juice, I'm gonna have my kids do a taste test. And trust me, these kids of mine, they tell the truth. They'll tell me if they don't like it, if it doesn't taste good, if it needs something else. Yeah, so you guys will see that part also, and then you guys will get to see my kids for the first time. Well, you know, you guys saw one of them, which was Mia. All right, so I'm gonna give that a stir, and then I'm gonna use some sugar. I am not gonna use a lot. Well, I don't even have a lot, so let's just dump all of it in. Give this a good stir until the sugar is dissolved. After it's dissolved, I'm gonna give it another strain to get the lemon pulp out and the seeds, and if any more of the pineapple and the cherry thing that's inside of it will be strained off also. I love to drink my juice with nothing in it, just be drinking, not chewing. Okay, I think that's it, because I didn't put a lot of sugar, so hopefully it doesn't want any more sugar. If it does want lemon, I will definitely have a next lemon or 2. I think that's it. Rest that there, and I have a pot there with the 2 strainers. We're going to strain it off right here. See all the lemon pulp, all the pulp. Jaden said pulp. All the pulp Okay. Let's get all of this out. This is something that I grew up on. My mom always makes sure that we have natural juice to be drinking. I grew up on so many homemade juice. I can't even, if I start right now, I'm not even going to be able to finish because my mom always made different types of natural juice. So I'm used to it. So yeah. Alright, see? All the lemon and the seeds are out of the juice. Okay. Let's get this off. Okay, so let's do the other one. This is why I use 2 strainers. This is the exact reason. Look at that. See, I don't want none of that in my juice. Definitely not. And I think I want to give it one more strain. This is why I use 2 strainers. This. All right, guys, I'm gonna give it 1 or 2 more strain and then we'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. So now we're finished finally, and the kids are here to test it out to see what it tastes like. So Nia, Malik, and Jade and I did make pineapple and ginger with cherry and lemon. So go ahead, Nia, tell me what you think.
Good.
It's good? You like it?
Yeah.
Would you drink it?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Malik? Guys, Malik don't really like natural juice.
It tastes sour and very sweet, and I would drink this for dinner normally, but not every day.
Okay.
And
yeah?
it's really good. And it also tastes like a little carrot juice, but I can taste
the cherry or the pineapple?
The cherry more.
The cherry more, yeah, because the cherry overpowered the pineapple. All right, guys. Jaden. Wow, you took a whole gulp.
It's really good.
It's really good? You like it? All right, guys. They said they like it, so thank you guys for watching.
Like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on those post notifications to see every time we post a new video. Give this video a big thumbs up.
And
make sure you like and subscribe.
And share.
And share this
Thank
video.
you guys for watching.
Bye.
And we're gonna also make it.
Bye.
We're gonna do a tortilla challenge, so
Watch out for that video. Yes. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do what the kids say. Bye.